talking about the new Lancer Tech. Why am I talking about this? Why am I talking about this?
What's going on, guys? Dillon here, Kris here.
Is this how it goes? That's how
I
it goes,
don't think that's how it goes. How are you supposed to wind your mag if you do that?
Wait, this mag, you have to wind it?
Yes.
Is it one of those like high capacity magazines?
High capacity magazine.
Oh, that explains why there's a wheel on the bottom. Okay. First impression, the rail is like, the Keymat is super solid.
Yeah, the Keymat's solid.
Like you don't hear that Lancer.
The creak from the Gen 1.
Yeah, the creaky Gen 1.
Well, they don't creak as much. That's one.
Selectors seem really crispy.
And it's cool that they don't all shoot 400 FPS anymore.
They don't?
Yeah, they're saying, well, I know a lot of them, well, of course, the ones that are marked with L are going to be the low power ones, but they're actually shooting me 50.
They set it up quite a lot.
Step it up for sure.
Definitely. One major thing is the fact that it doesn't. So they feature 603 type bore barrels
And a quick change screen.
and a quick chain spring. Don't these also have the new rotary hopper?
Yeah, it's got that rotary style hopper. For all the pro-wing users out there, that's what this reminds me of, actually. Kind of looks like.
It basically looks identical. Just the
Yeah.
fact that it's plastic and it's really bright red.
Should we go find all these?
Yeah.
Yeah. Call this one.
I'll take this one. Okay, so right here, this is the gearbox from the new Lancer tactical rifles. Where's my Allen key? Basically, I just wanted to show you the quick spring changing system and also the internals as well. Anyways, you take out the spring. Inside this bad boy. Ooh. Alright, well, I mean, first impressions, it looks a lot cleaner as far as all the parts that were put into it. Overall, not bad. Cylinder's nice. There's no ports on the cylinder. Loading nozzle is plastic. Cylinder head is plastic. As far as the piston goes, looks like the piston comes with a full metal teeth. Normally on the old Lancers, you only get one metal tooth and the rest of them are plastic, but it looks like in the new Gen 2s you get a full rack of teeth that are completely made of metal. One cool thing that I do like is the fact that they added a sector delayer chips. As your gears would spin, basically your loading nozzle would get pulled back. It'll be held back for however long, and then right about here, your nozzle, right about here, your BB would be loaded and your piston would have already shot right about now. It would have shot. The trigger switch is nice. I think it looks like, honestly, it looks like those upgraded SHS ones, but I'm not too sure. As far as the rest of the gears, everything looks nice. Looks like it was shimmed pretty well too. Other than that, I really do like the internals. I mean, it's very good as far as from what I'm seeing. The chrono readings were pretty consistent as well, so that does tell me that the piston, the piston head, the cylinder head, everything like is top notch. I mean, like as far as the air seal, it looks like it's got a good seal, like it's going nowhere. Other than that, it is actually pretty good. And right now we're going to talk about the hop up. So right here we have the hop-up that comes stock with the gun. And also right here on the left side I have a old school Pro-Win that looks very similar to it, so we're just gonna use this as comparison. I mean, it's very identical as far as build. Obviously the Pro-Win is a CNC aluminum hop-up unit, and then the one on the right is plastic.